You can have millions on your corporate balance sheet and still watch your entire operation grind to a halt. In the consulting world, there is a hard truth. Sales are vanity, profit is reality, but cash flow is oxygen. If clients demand 120 days of credit while payroll is due every 30, a company will suffocate long before it sees those profits. The core weakness for most SMEs is relying on transactional revenue. You sell a product once, and the exchange is over. Every 30 days, your revenue resets to zero, and you have to sprint to find new buyers all over again just to survive. Relying strictly on one-off sales is a dangerous trap. One bad month of acquisition and the whole system collapses, regardless of how many orders you have in the pipeline. Look at the industrial air compressor market. A top-tier manufacturer builds a machine that is durable and efficient, but it carries a 5 million baht price tag. Even with a superior product, they are struggling. Competitors from China are flooding the market with machines priced 40% lower. The true barrier is CapEx, a massive upfront budget. That 5 million baht is a financial wall blocking the sale. Slashing prices hits a bankruptcy baseline. Selling on superior quality bounces right off the top. Buyers simply lack the upfront cash. When a price war collides with tight client budgets, engineering a better physical product doesn't solve the problem. Survival requires an entirely different revenue model. To fix this, the manufacturer tore up their old business model. They decided they would never sell another air compressor. They started installing machines for free, equipped with IoT sensors. The new deal was simple. The manufacturer maintains the equipment, and the factory pays a monthly fee based on the exact cubic meters of compressed air they use. This timeline chart shows the new math. The upfront cost becomes an operational expenditure, or OPEX, a manageable monthly line item. For the manufacturer, this creates a stable baseline. Instead of hoping for a one-time sale every decade, they gain a guaranteed continuous cash flow. Combining a usage fee with a subscription model turns industrial hardware into a continuous service, an approach known as servitization. Selling an asset outright is just one option on a wide menu of revenue streams available to a modern CEO. Most companies default to cost-plus pricing, calculating raw materials and labor, then adding a standard 20% margin. The smarter play is value-based pricing. As this diagram shows, instead of pricing based on the weight of the metal, you price based on the financial value of a smoothly running factory and the problems your innovation solves. If you price your product based solely on its parts, you leave the real value of your expertise on the table. Since the manufacturer now covers the electricity and maintenance costs, they have a massive incentive to optimize. They use AI to ensure the machines run at peak efficiency, drawing as little power as possible. Every watt of electricity saved increases their profit margin directly. This combination of efficiency and guaranteed future revenue causes the company's valuation to skyrocket. They evolved from a merchant worrying about next month's sales into an investor, collecting predictable, compounding returns from their existing customer base. It's time to audit your revenue streams. First, client concentration. If 60% of revenue relies on 2 buyers, you risk collapse. Second, check 90-day cash flow predictability. Third, convert hidden freebies into paid maintenance. Finally, eliminate massive lump sum invoices. By moving away from one-off sales and toward automated recurring revenue, a business no longer has to start every month with a balance of 0.